Hey guys, I am stepping out of the little Casita apartment at your possible new resort style home located at 17736 Southeast 115th Street, Summerfield. Yes guys, we are in the Villages in Stonecrest, a creme de la creme community here. And behind me you'll see this is a courtyard style home. All the home is wrapped around this jacuzzi oasis. And of course, like I see, you have your Casita guest house as well. I love this house, but I'm not ready to retire yet. We're gonna have open houses this weekend. So come on down, come take a look, share this with your friends and family, share it with your grandparents if they deserve to live in a place like this. The home has been completely updated. You are absolutely going to love it top to bottom. See you at the open house. Call me for details, 407-921-1310.